Hello guys, this is Chief AOC. I'm a forex trader and analyst. All right, so this video is just to show you guys the way I traded Bitcoin last week. Okay, it's pretty simple, and I think Bitcoin gave a very clear direction of where the market is going to. All right, so basically Bitcoin has been an upward trend. You guys know it has been an upward trend. I make a new high, which is $126,000. Okay, as soon as I make this new high, I already know there will be a kind of retracement of Bitcoin, so I was looking forward to that. Okay, and the only way I can enter the short of this Bitcoin is to make sure that there's enough confirmation to do so. All right, so what I did was the market was already on an upward trend here. Okay, as soon as you make this new high, I was looking forward a break of my origin, and this is my origin here. My origin is where the price that leads to a break of structure comes from. Okay, this is the origin here, so most of the time I do mark that as a point of interest for me. Okay, so as soon as I mark this, I was waiting for what a break of it, which leads to a change of character. All right, and for further confirmation, I can see a kind of liquidity sweep here. Okay, that gives me enough evidence and confirmation that this market is actually going to what, to a downward trend, to retrace this particular market that has been already been overbought, because this market is already overbought as far as I'm concerned, and I was looking for a way to short this. Okay, so this is what I did. As soon as I confirmed that this market has broken this particular origin that leads to this big break of structure, it confirms to me that there's a change of structure and there's a market shift. So what I did basically is just to pick my Fibonacci retracement and do what, a swing high to what, a swing low. Okay, and I was able to get my 61.8 towards to 100. For those guys that know me very well, they know that most of the time my entry is always from 61 to 100. That is where I look forward for my execution. Okay, so I was waiting for this price to get to 61.8, and I've already done my I've already done my forecast already, waiting for it. My stand trade is already on pending order here. Okay, so I did a pending order, and I put my stop loss at this, just a little bit above the 78.6, and straight down to what, to this target. So it was this target here. Yeah, it was this target here, giving me a risk to reward ratio of 1:4. Okay, which is a good trade for me. So I was just waiting for this to happen, and I left what, I left my pending orders. And then if you look at it clearly, you see that I'll just play for you guys to see what happened and how the trade played out. Okay, so there was a little bit accumulation here. Okay, and then it went up, tapped to the 61.8, and went straight to my take profit, which is at this point, and that gives me about $4,000 last week. And after that, I left the Bitcoin. I didn't trade the Bitcoin after this trade, and that's exactly where I traded Bitcoin. And I'll also be analyzing for next week, and I will be having a new setup for next week. So I wish you guys the best. All right, take care. Bye.